What are the three types of facilities maintenance? Well, everybody knows about breakdown maintenance. Basically running things to failure. That's a great way to look at it. Many places, if you're a landlord in New York, this is one of the things that they used to do for years. And because it's basically the cheapest way to own a building. Just run everything to failure. The problem is, once it fails, then whatever system that is, you're down. If it's your HVAC, if it's your water, your hot water, your heat. Heat's a big one. People hate that when the heat goes down. So what we went to after that is preventive maintenance, which is probably what most of you do out there. You have a preventive maintenance program where you go in and maintain items before they break, so you can get extended life out of them, and you can also start to look at possibly when you may have to fix or replace those units. That's going to be part of your capital renewal replacement program. Predictive maintenance. This is the one that I love. Navy loves this. They have it on all their ships. Rotating equipment and all that. They have all kinds of sensors and things that can kind of give them notice way in advance of when something's going to fail. And they need to know that because when they leave the dock, there's really not a lot of places that they can get things fixed until they get back to port. Predictive maintenance is becoming more common now in facilities because it can take part of your preventive maintenance that you're normally doing way in advance of things and kind of extend that out a little bit so you don't maintain things until they're getting ready to fail. But the other beautiful thing about predictive maintenance is that the information that you get back, you'll start to see when things are going to fail way before they do, so you can start to plan for replacement or start to plan for repairs. So which type of the maintenance types should you use for your facility? This guy in the front here is very smart. He knows. Well, the answer is all of them. So sometimes you're going to have pieces of equipment that are small pieces of equipment, and you've got the spare part on the shelf. Now you're going to run that to failure because you know you can replace it in 5 minutes and it's not going to be a big deal as long as you got the replacement parts. For things that you don't have that on, you're going to be more involved with preventive maintenance or having a preventive maintenance program that will take care of you on that. So each type of maintenance has its place depending on cost, availability, reliability of the specific equipment.